Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make your laptop, your computer work faster by simple three way to make your laptop work faster. And this is Windows 10. Um, to make your laptop work faster, first you have to click on search and then type the word run. Okay, and then type this word. Okay, type the percentage symbol and then temp and percentage and click OK. And then if your laptop has a lot of virus, there will be a lot of right here, and then you click it all and delete it. Okay, click delete it and the rest is leave it there. That is the first step. And then go to the second step. The second step is you type run again. You type run again and choose the word prefix or type the word prefix and click OK. And there's a lot of viruses. Okay, and then you click Control A and then delete it. Okay, some you cannot delete it, then leave it there. Okay, and you delete it, then the virus is gone, and that can make your laptop work faster. And the final way is click on that and choose the word msconfig and click OK and click on startup, so there is no more virus. Then you click on OK, and that's it for how to make your laptop work faster. And you guys can test it on your laptop or your computer in order to make sure that your laptop can be work faster as you want it to be. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys subscribe and share, like this video, so I can make more useful video for you guys to learn new things. Okay, bye bye.